In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Twitter account to your Binance account. This is a helpful process if you're looking to participate in promotions, integrate with Web3 features, or simply enhance your social identity on Binance. While there isn't an official or universal guideline for every user, I'll walk you through the most common method that people typically use. Let's begin by making sure you have the latest version of the Binance app, either on your mobile device or through the web platform, as this will ensure you have access to all the current features. First things first, open the Binance app and log in. If you're using the mobile app, make sure that you've completed the identity verification process, as this is often a prerequisite for accessing full account features and linking external profiles like Twitter. Having your account fully verified will ensure a smoother linking process. Once logged in, head over to the Profile section of your account. It might be labeled as Profile, Settings, or Account, depending on which version you are using. Some users might find these options under Web3 or Social Links, and occasionally under sections like Security or Verification. The goal is to find where you can add or edit social links. Now, look for an option related to social links or specifically to Twitter. You might see something like Connect Twitter, Link Twitter, or even Add Twitter Handle. These options will allow you to begin the process of linking your Twitter account to your Binance profile. Once you locate this feature, click on it. At this point, you should be ready to authorize the connection. Typically, clicking on the Connect or Link button opens a Twitter login or OAuth pop-up. Here, you'll need to either log in to Twitter if you aren't already, or simply authorize Binance to access your basic Twitter account information. This is crucial for linking, as Binance needs certain permissions to verify your identity and handle. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, return to the Binance app. You should now see that your Twitter handle is connected to your profile. This might be displayed visibly on your account, and in some cases, there may be additional verification steps. Binance could request you to post or tweet something specific as part of the verification process, depending on why you're linking the accounts. Finally, with your accounts linked, you're all set to take advantage of any related features. Whether it's participating in promotional events, verifying your Web3 identity, or maximizing rewards, this integration opens up a lot of opportunities for enhanced interaction between your Twitter presence and your Binance activities. Remember to always keep your security in mind and only partake in features or promos that you fully trust and understand. Happy linking!